Okay, we just arrived in a port in Greece where we are boarding Norwegian Jade. My wifey over there. Wifey!
Norwegian Jade was built in 2006 and was last refurbished in 2017. The passenger capacity is around 2,402. Good afternoon, my visitors. We are here in Norwegian Jade and we are going to enter our cabin. This is a balcony and my doorman is here.
Good afternoon, welcome aboard.
He's awesome. Okay, so here is the balcony in Norwegian Jade. So it's a king size bed. And then we have the emergency instruction here. And then we have the safe box. There are some closets here. Cabinets. We have a robe. The safety vest. We have what is this? A small fridge. And then here is the restroom. A little sink, bathroom, and then this is the shower area. Now here is the balcony. We have a small sofa. I think it's a sofa bed. And then here is the balcony.
They are loading some provisions.
They're loading some of the provisions here. Food and other stuff. And that is Athens. This is Princess Cruises. And we have the Norwegian Jade Mediterranean Cruise. They have room service. You want to
24 hours.
order something here. And then TV here. They have the phone. Okay. And then it's clean, very clean. They sanitize it already. Okay. So stay tuned for our adventure here in Norwegian Jade. We're going to Cyprus, to Turkey, Jerusalem, Nazareth, and also Santorini. We are here in Norwegian Jade. So this is our first day here, and we will be leaving, going to I think Limassol. We're leaving around 6 o'clock tonight. So as you can see here, these are the ferry boats. So you can also walk here. Only one lap, 660 yards, and so on. So you can exercise out here.
Wow, they have a beautiful deck, newly painted.
There's the view from the outside. Okay, we are here in Spinnaker Lounge, and tonight we're going to have our first group event, our meet and greet with the group coming from LA and then Seattle or Washington. So this will be our venue for tonight around 8 o'clock to 9. Very nice. Okay.
And right now I'm on the very top of the ship. The raiders, and this is the one, the biggest one.
A garden cafe. I already washi. Nag-washi na. Okay, this is the buffet. Salad bar. Ice cream. Daddy has second ice cream. This is the bread. Kinds of meat, pasta, pasta, pizza, these are the dessert. Pastries to die for. Fruits. Hot and bread. Hi. Dito lang outside. Okay, we are here in the Mandara Salon. They have the facial here. We had a wonderful time in this group cruise to the Mediterranean. If you have any questions about the cruise, please comment below.
Hi, I hope you enjoy watching. Please like, and subscribe. See you next time. Thank you. Hi, I hope you enjoy watching. Please like and subscribe.